Simple lang tayo today. Ayan, so meron tayong spoon, plate, and syempre manadil, tissue. So ayan sila lahat. Alright everyone, so for today's video, gagawa tayo ng tinatawag na crown table napkin. Ayan. So okay, so first gamit lang natin ang ating manadil or tissue. Ayan, so hatiin lang natin yan into, ayan, shape lang natin into triangle. Ayan, and syempre hawakan natin dito, i-fold ang talon. Alright? And the same, like that. Alright? Okay? And next, i-fold natin pa ganyan. Alright? Okay? Then fold pabaliktad. Yan. And syempre, hawakan natin, itaot. And ito yung pinaka-lock niya. Alright? So, yan ang pinaka-lock. Ganyan natin. Then, ganyan. And ito, ipapasok natin dito. Alright. So, ganyan. And, i-fold na natin. Kung kapansin nyo. And, syempre, lagyan natin yung design. Yan. Alright. Yeah, like that. Alright. So, I'm shaking. Okay. Right, and syempre, ayan, and ayan. Right. Ayan. Ayan na yung ating na-fold. So, ayan na siya. Ayan. Alright, so lahat na yan meron. So, yan lang ngayon ang ginamit ko is naglagay lang tayo ng kutsara, plato, at saka napkin. Alright, so ganyan lang guys. So simple lang, simpleng aurahan today. Simpleng aurahan. Yan. So actually 16 lahat yan.